What's going on, white traders? Now we're just going to be doing a quick trade recap video on the Great British Pound against the Japanese Yen. Now before this video starts, I just want to let you guys know that we will be sending more analysis like this into the free channel from now on. Diving straight into this trade recap video, we're currently looking at GJ on the daily time frame. Now this is the time frame that we went ahead and entered on. Today we're going to be covering how we knew we was going to see bearish momentum take over and head towards our TP, and we're also going to be covering how we came up with that TP of 153.30. Now this is pretty much a mid-trade recap video because this trade is still running. And we're currently running 170 pips profit. Let me go ahead and place the profits from a client who did close a little bit early, around 100 pips in profit. This is what he received. Amazing. Now, how did we know our pair was going to start showing some bearish momentum and start taking its way down to our TP? Now, if we invert our chart, you can actually see we've got an inverted head and shoulders pattern going on. Now, if we go ahead and put our support/resistance, because this is an inverted chart, you can see here. Now, the start of this structure started at around at 157.30, coming up to form that left, coming down, coming up to form that head, and then coming down to the start of the structure again. Now, that's usually what happens when a head and shoulders pattern is forming. Now, coming all the way up, ready to form that right shoulder. As you can see, we believe we are going to meet at the same price as our left shoulder. Once we meet the same price, which is around 153.30, we believe that we will see signs of rejection to complete that right shoulder. Now, let me go ahead and place an arrow just to give you guys an idea of what we believe is going to happen. Signs of rejection towards this support level and making our way to that resistance level to complete that head and shoulders pattern.